quickly show you how you would edit your STEM Pathways page on the ISK STEM Pathways website. So once you get into your browser bar, into your web browser, go to iskpathways.com /WP admin. So once you've typed this in, hit return, and what you should get is the WordPress login page. It didn't even ask you to log in, which is, let me just log out so you can see how it looks like. So if I log out, you'll get this page. So again, ISK Pathways WP login, get this page. You're then going to type in STEM Pathways. And the password I've already sent you, so just put your password in and then log in. Once you do that, you'll get to this page. This is your WordPress dashboard. The only thing that you have to care about is the post page. Don't worry about any of this stuff over here. In fact, you shouldn't really touch this. To just look at the post page. Once you're within posts, just go to all posts, and what you'll see here is all the different posts. So your project's post page is going to serve as it were, like the web page for your project, where you give it an overview of what it's about. So for example, here I put most of your projects in here. There might be one or two missing, and in that case, you can just say add new, and it's going to add a new post. So for example, if I were to go to the low-cost compost toilet over here, I could go to edit. And what I'll see here is I've tried to create a framework or a basic structure for all of you. So the first part is a title, low-cost compost toilet. You can change this to whatever you want to call your project. Then following on from that is the design challenge. Here, just please give a brief description of the design problem you're trying to solve. So most of you have already framed your problem, or should have definitely framed your problem. So in this case, it might be designing an efficient compost toilet for low-income communities, high-density areas in Nairobi, or wherever else you want to say. So then this is just a paragraph. If I want to add content, I can go over here to the plus, and this lets me add images or other body text. Or if I want to have a gallery, let's say you have a couple of images that to bring your point forward, you can add that. And there's many more blocks that you can add on to that as well. Following that, there's a summary of your research. So here's where you give a brief description of your progress thus far. Please make sure to include any primary research, for example, interviews you've done, people you've talked to, any relevant graphics, photos, if you've taken any data. This might be a place to actually show some of the data you've collected so far. So just a summary of your research thus far, and then the last part is a link to your process journal. Again, within this section over here, we would like to see some images. So you might want to, for example, let's just say you have a graphic that you want to add in. You'd go plus, you'd go to image. It would bring the graphic here. You could upload the graphic that you want. Find it, and then you can bring it up there. I'm going to delete this for now and post it in the right place. The process journal, again, you just literally go here, put a link, and put a link to your process journal. Once you've done that, please make sure to, you can hit preview if you want to look at it, but please make sure to hit update, and it's going to show up on the website for us to see, and it's going to then, so that's basically it.